Corporate leadership doesn't care about your 15 years of experience because they only care about the bottom line. Right now, the reality you are facing is that a junior developer using AI costs half your salary and ships code twice as fast. Those golden handcuffs felt safe for a long time with the title and the predictable paycheck every 2 weeks. But most senior devs don't realize those handcuffs are actually a cage until the bars start tightening. What if losing your seat at the corporate table isn't the worst thing that could happen to you? It might actually be the best thing that ever happened. This video isn't about surviving in tech or learning the latest framework to compete with junior half your age, but it's about escaping a system that pays you well while taking everything else. You've already seen what is happening to senior developers as companies do the math. So let's talk about what is possible when you stop fighting for your old job and start building something that is actually yours. You spent over 15 years building real expertise by debugging production systems at 2 a.m. and navigating regulatory compliance that would make most juniors cry. You've seen systems fail in ways that taught you patterns only time and pain can provide. But employer doesn't value that expertise anymore. It's not because you aren't good, since you are probably better than ever, but your knowledge exists in a system they are actively trying to tear down. They don't want your deep domain knowledge because they want things cheaper and faster, and they want the output without the overhead. A junior developer using tools like Cursor and Cloud ships twice as fast for half the cost, and they won't ask any difficult questions about architecture or long-term sustainability. They just build whatever the ticket says without knowing what they are missing. And the truth is, that company simply doesn't care. You felt the burnout for years from back-to-back meetings and constant on-call rotations. But now there's a new threat because the company is doing the math and realizing you are expensive. Corporate doesn't see you as a person with a family or a beautiful home you never get to enjoy because you are traveling all week and recovering all weekend. You are just a line of item on a spreadsheet where your only job is to generate revenue, and when someone cheaper can generate almost the same amount, the calculation becomes very simple. The golden handcuff kept you compliant because you had a mortgage and needed stability. But that security was always an illusion that required trading your life for a paycheck that is now at risk. You are trapped in a system where your value shrinks every quarter while your stress grows. And you are stuck with performance reviews where people who don't understand your work decide if you are valuable. Year after year, you are doing more with less and justifying why you are worth what you cost, even though you know deep down that this isn't sustainable. The real problem isn't AI or the junior developer, but it is the fact that you are still thinking like an employee when the rules of the game have completely changed. You are still trying to prove your worth inside a system designed to extract as much as possible from you while paying you as little as they can get away with. Here is something that might blow your mind. Every senior developer possesses a secret weapon that a junior with a cloud subscription will never have. You have deep domain knowledge and the rare ability to spot patterns that other people completely miss. You don't just understand how to write lines of code, but you also actually know exactly where systems tend to snap under pressure, since you've lived through the crashes yourself. You understand the regulatory gaps that keep CEOs awake at night, and you know the compliance nightmares that might end up costing companies millions of dollars. You have seen the weird edge cases that a junior can't even imagine yet, mostly because they haven't spent years building anything that actually matters. That kind of wisdom isn't something you can just pick up from a weekend bootcamp or a random YouTube tutorial, as it only comes from years of earning professional scars in the trenches. The truth of the matter is that AI doesn't replace that level of expertise, but it definitely multiplies it. If you are feeling a sense of fear regarding AI right now, just realize that it is really just a fear of the unknown. The unknown is actually where the real opportunity lives. And the same tools that might be making you feel replaceable in a corporate setting are the exact ones that will help you build a consulting business faster than you ever thought possible. Let me give you a real example of what I mean by this. Just last year, I built a $3,000 AI receptionist for a managed service provider, and I didn't need any complex algorithm or a PhD in machine learning to get it done. The project succeeded because I combined my domain knowledge with AI tools to solve a specific problem that the business was struggling with every single day. The solution was pretty messy because the MSP was absolutely drowning in constant phone calls and routing people to the wrong department. Voicemails were getting lost in the shuffle, which created a chaotic environment that cost them serious money in lost leads and angry customers. I used N8N to build out the back-end workflow MVP for voice AI, and the entire project took me a few weeks instead of several months because I refused to overthink the process. I understood the problem deeply because I had lived in the MSP world for years, so I already knew the typical call patterns and which requests were for sales versus technical support. I simply built a solution that fixed a painful problem using modern tools that finally made the implementation easy. That is the move you should make, and it is exactly what companies are desperate to find in the current market. MSPs need this help. Healthcare software companies need it, and fintech firms are looking for it too. These mid-market businesses aren't searching for another junior developer to write boilerplate code, but they are looking for someone who understands how the technical side impacts the bottom line. They want a partner who prevents $1 million mistakes and deliver results that actually move the needle for their growth. That person is you, but you only stay through if you stop selling your time by the hour and start selling your hard-earned expertise instead. You really don't need to fight for a seat at the corporate table anymore because that old game is officially over. The real move is to stop trying to prove your worth inside a system that feels broken and start building a system of your own that you actually control. Most people don't realize that combining your tech skills with an AI and domain expertise creates a consulting business you can launch in a matter of weeks. You don't have to wait years to get started, and you can even begin laying the groundwork while you are still collecting a steady paycheck from your current employer. The model is actually very simple when you break it down. You identify a specific pain point in your niche, build a repeatable offer around solving that pain, and then you finally charge what you are actually worth. When you work for yourself, you get to pick your own clients and set your own rates while working on your own terms. You can say goodbye to that Sunday night dread and those awkward performance reviews where someone who doesn't even understand your job gets to decide your value. You won't have to justify your salary to a manager who sees you as a cost center rather than a valuable human being. This is how the transition actually works in the real world. The AI Freedom Accelerator provides you with a blueprint that isn't just a bunch of high-level theory, but a concrete plan that you can start executing immediately. You will get the total clarity on your niche, an AI business module built around what you already know, a 90-day action plan to take it all the way to make it a reality. During the first 2 weeks, you will identify a specific problem in your niche that AI has either created or made significantly worse for business owners. This shouldn't be a generic problem you found online, but a specific frustration that keeps you up at night because you have lived through it yourself. In weeks 3 and 4, you focus on building a reputable offer, such as a $5,000 audit or a specialized implementation that takes you about 20 hours to complete. The goal is to create something you can sell over and over again without having to reinvent the wheel every time a new client signs a contract. By weeks 5 and 6, it is time to land your first paying client. You won't be cold calling total strangers, but instead you will leverage the 15 years of professional relationships you have already built with people who know and trust you. These are the people who will take a call from you immediately because they respect your track record and know you can deliver results. This journey isn't about becoming a professional prompt engineer. It is about using AI to deliver results for your clients much faster than anyone else can, which allows you to solve problems that actually matter while building something with your name on it. Burnout doesn't go away just because you work fewer hours, but it disappears when you start working on things that actually matter to you. You will be solving problems in a space you care about using your unique expertise. The difference between the people who pivot and people who panic is actually very simple. The people who pivot choose to build from a position of power, and they don't wait until a layer of notice is at their throat to start moving. They are intentional about their future, and they start building before the rest of the world even realizes the problem is coming. Choice is yours. Right now, you are standing at a crossroads with a big decision to make. You can stay in that corporate cage and hope your company never decides to do the math on your salary, or you can start building a bridge to something better while you still have that leverage of a steady paycheck and the energy to make it happen. Every single week you spend waiting is another week someone else is out there building the exact business you've been dreaming about. Other developers are already charging $5,000 for 20 hours of work, and they are finding clients who actually appreciate their expertise instead of just seeing them as another line item on a budget to be cut. I created the AI Freedom Accelerator as a 6-week coaching program specifically for senior and mid-level developers who are ready to change their situation. By the time we finish, you'll have a full blueprint for your AI consulting business, a clear niche to target, and a 90-day action plan to get everything moving. The program keeps enrollment open because people are ready to move right now, not someday. Check in the link description to see if there is a spot available for the next cohort. If this video hit home for you today, then you already know this is the right move. Stop waiting for someone else to give you the permission and start building something that actually belongs to you. Until we meet in the next video, be safe out there, and thank you. Bye.